Okay, now we are going to do practice problem number 3 in section 1. It says you are a trust fund baby, so you have money, but you don't get your money until you're 35. You're 18 and want to plan your future based on the current value of your trust fund. The guaranteed payout of your trust is $250,000. What is that money worth to you today, assuming 3% inflation? First question, what formula are we going to use? Well, we have to ask ourselves, do we have the money now? No, we don't. We're not going to have it till we're 35. So we know what we're going to have in the future. Now we need to know what is that worth to us in the present. So we're going to use one of our present value formulas, PV or PVA. Question is, which one? Well, do you get the money one time or is it a continual payout? It's a one-time payment of $250,000. So we know then it is our PV formula. So to figure that out, let's go ahead and put in our equation. So here's our PV equation. Our present value is, our future value, excuse me, is $250,000. That's what we're going to get when we're 35. We're 18 right now. So our N is 17. We get that by taking 35 minus 18, so that's 17 years we have to wait. And the R, we're just doing an inflation rate of 3%. Now remember, I talked about how if the opportunity cost is higher, this percentage would be higher. But in this case, we're just going to count on inflation. So we're just going to do annual compounding. So we just go ahead and put this in, 1.03 raised to the 17. We're going to solve. We need to get rid of our parentheses first. Remember, order of operations. 1.03 raised to the 17 is equal to 1.6528. Okay, so then we just have to take our $250,000, divide it by 1.6528. Right now, that trust fund is worth to us $151,258.47. Now remember, because we're going to have inflation over those 17 years, the trust fund is not worth the same. It's gone down in value for us because of inflation. So right now your trust fund is worth $151,000. And that is an example of a PV.